What do the Apple Newton, the Segway scooter, and Google Glass all have in common? Well, all three of these products were highly innovative and transformative technologies poised to disrupt the very markets that they participated in. However, all three of these products also failed, given that their monetization strategies never really resonated with their target consumers. My name is Dylan Grien. I'm a senior manager at Simon-Kucher and Partners, and alongside my colleague William Lee, we are thrilled to be presenting at PPS on a topic that is truly near and dear to our hearts: monetizing innovation. During our workshop, we will first go through Simon-Kucher's tried and true multivariate and comprehensive methodology towards monetizing innovation before conducting a case study where participants will be able to put into action the concepts that they learned during the morning session. So join us on October 10th in my hometown of Atlanta, Georgia, where we cannot wait to help you maximize your potential in a world where innovation is no longer optional.